Alright guys, we are back with Cooking with Grizz1y. We are at part 2 now of the slow cooker fajita bowls. So, kind of a big part. So this is the rice finishing up. Big part of the fajita bowls is you need the bowls. So, let's get out the bowls. And then what we're going to do is take off this cover. Whoop. Then I need a fork for this part. Because if you notice, our lid no longer has a handle. It busted off a long while ago. So we just need a new lid for the crock pot. The crock pot works great, just needs a new lid. Pop it up with a fork. Look at this. Yum. And now if you go, you can unbury the chicken. Kind of. More like tear the chicken to pieces because it is so soft and delicate now, which I forgot because I thought I was handing out big chunks between me and Zach, but we're not. Okay, you're done. You're done. Boop. Which actually, let me stir that real fast so it does not burn. Perfect. Oh, a little bit crispy on the bottom, huh? A little bit browny, not too bad. Very light. Perfect. That's what I like to see. So then we're just going to kind of tear this apart. Probably turn off the warm. Just do your best to tear it apart, mix it all together. I would recommend using 2 forks, but I'm trying to hold up. Or actually here we go. There we go. Let's grab a second fork. Second fork. Because then you can find the big pieces and use both of them to grab each side and just pull them apart from each other. There we go. And it's literally going to fall apart. You're not even going to feel tug. Because this has been cooking for the last 3 hours. Look at that. And then just kind of stir it all together. Yum. And now what we're going to do, we should probably get, well, my phone is not connected to internet well at all. I can see that from here. Here we go. Whoop. This spoon. But first we need to get a little rice. I'm going to set you guys here. You guys can watch me scoop it. Scoop it. So put a little rice in each bowl. You can do kind of however much you like to do. We tend to do about that much. And I'm just going to fill up both bowls. The other bowl I'll throw in the microwave, and he'll sit there till Zach gets home. And then he can just heat it right back up real quick. And then his dinner will be ready as well. Alright. And then all you gotta do, take your scooper, give it one more good stir around. Oh, there's a couple of big chunks still. I'll get those pulled apart real quick. The chicken kind of gets a little hidden in here sometimes, so if you notice a big chunk, you can just break it apart. Not too hard, not too difficult. And just take a good scoopful and throw it on your hand and burn yourself. And then I always like to take a little bit of the juice and put it on top because then it soaks into the rice a bit. Alright, close that up, and then I'm going to get a bowl for myself. Boop, boop, boop. There. I want to try and get a little bit more of the peppers rather than onion. Onion's okay, but I'm not the biggest fan of it. Get a little bit more chicken, a little bit more peppers. There we go. And really, you can kind of load this up. For the most part, it's relatively healthy. The unhealthiest part is probably the rice and the salt. There we go. And look at that. We got a nice fajita bowl. Set it down and kind of give you guys a better angle. Look at that. Look at that fajita bowl. Does that not look absolutely wonderfully delicious? Whoop, whoop. Alright, I would flip the thing around, but I know it's gonna lag if I do. So then I just like to stir this around. So that way it's a nice mix of rice and veggies and chicken, rather than just all veggies and chicken and then rice at the very bottom. I like to mix it. And then also lets the rice start to soak up all those juices, that extra juice I put in. Alright. And then I say get a little bit of rice. I kind of brought all the rice to the top, so let's try and get a little bit of peppers. There's a piece of chicken. There's a piece of chicken. A little bit of rice. A little bit of pepper. Whoopsie. Kind of blow it because it is fresh out of the crock pot right now. Delicious. It's so good. It's super simple. You cut up a couple peppers, an onion, some chicken. You throw it in the crock pot. Well, you just butterfly the chicken. Throw it in the crock pot. What is that called? Taco seasoning, salt, pepper, lime, and you let it sit for 3 hours, and then you can. We have a rice cooker, so we just have the rice cooker cook our rice, and then after 3 hours, you're done. I might have let it go a little bit long this time, because I did leave it in there for a little longer than 3 hours while the rice was cooking, but I had it on warm. So it's a little soft, but other than that, it's pretty darn good. 10 out of 10, would eat again. Alright guys, I am going to go eat this. I'm going to flip you around. I'm going to go eat some dinner. I'm going to go watch some YouTube, relax, chill, go to bed. You know the deal. So guys, thank you everyone for coming and hanging out. Thanks for watching this special 2-part Cooking with Grizz1y. And I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.